Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking aerobic exercise versus anaerobic exercise. So first, what is the difference? All right, so they're both terms used to describe how your cells in your body produce energy, and they refer to the energy systems. So it's a pretty sciencey answer there, but to break it down a little simpler, aerobic just means with air and anaerobic is without air. So when we think about aerobic exercise, it's types of exercise that is greater than 2 minutes, and then anaerobic is exercise less than 2 minutes. So for aerobic, on average, you'll stay at 60 to 80% of that max heart rate. This can be done for long periods of time, good for building your endurance. It improves your cardiovascular and respiratory functions in your heart and lungs. And if we're going to talk about the talk test, you can hold a conversation if you're doing aerobic exercise with somebody else. Aerobic exercises would be walking, jogging, biking, aerobics, swimming, rowing, cross-country skiing, elliptical, stair climber, and there's plenty others out there, but it's things that you're going to do for a long period of time that helps build your endurance. Anaerobic, so on average here, you're going to stay at the 80 to 90% of your max heart rate. So this is your orange zone. Your body needs immediate energy and gets it from stored energy. Okay, so another sciencey answer is there's two different systems used during anaerobic. One system is used if you're doing an exercise for 0 to 10 seconds. So if you're doing a sprint. A different system is used if you're doing something from 10 to 120 seconds. Okay, this one burns muscle or builds muscle and burns fat. So for these, we think about HIIT workouts, heavy weightlifting, plyometrics, and sprinting. So from that 0 to 10 seconds, if you're doing a HIIT workout and you were going all out for 10 seconds, that would be one system. If you're sprinting maybe a 400 in track, that's going to take you like a minute. Okay, that would be using the other system as well. But your anaerobic is when it is an all-out exercise and you are doing it for a short amount of time. So when comparing them, which is best? It depends on your goals. So is it your first time doing fitness? You might want to build up that aerobic endurance first. Once you do, anaerobic would be best for weight loss, better for building muscle. Again, depends on how much time you have. So a lot of anaerobic exercises are shorter and better for you. So think about that as you are planning your workouts. Your body's ability. So if you're not ready to do short sprints or a little bit longer sprints or heavy weightlifting, just make sure that you're in the right space to be able to do that. And then some people don't have the equipment available to be able to do an elliptical or run on a treadmill during winter. So it has to do with all different types of factors.